this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to connect Goat Funded Trader to cTrader. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is, of course, go to goatfundedtrader.com like you usually would. Then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to Get Funded page right here, so we can get a funded account, so we can connect that to cTrader. From here, you can choose this specific model. It doesn't really matter what type of model, so you just need to choose which one is most suitable for you. The same with model type and account size. The only thing you really need to look out for is the platform, and you need to click cTrader because you cannot else connect your Goat Funded Trader account to cTrader if it's not the correct platform. From here, you'll simply need to click Get Funded over here, and then you'll go into the billing page. From here, you'll be able to write in your email address that the account information needs to go over to. And from here, you can just click here. You can add add-ons if you want to do that. And as you can see here, email address. And it's very important that you click the correct email address because Goat Funded Trader will send the login credentials for your cTrader account on that specific email. From here, you'll simply need to fill in all these information and go down to click either apply for this promo code. And from here, you can just add your Visa or any other online payment offer that Goat offers. From here, you can place order here and just follow through with the checkout. Once from here, you'll need to go into your email address, find your login credentials from Goat Funded Trader, and from here, you'll need to go over to a new tab called cTrader over here. And then from here, once you get inside of here, you'll need to go to Get cTrader. And then from here, you can use the cTrader web or download it for your Windows or Mac computers. Once you've done that, it should look something like this once you open it up. And from here, you'll just need to enter in your email or cTrader ID. So Goat will send you your cTrader ID, just paste it in here and enter the specific password that Goat will also offer you. From here, you can click Login. And then from here, you'll have successfully connected your Goat Funded Traders to cTrader. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!